is bold Doherty from the north country, where there's a still upon every stream. Landlady, be quicker and bring us more liquor, fill us a pitcher that's stronger than cream. If I had you, Molly, more pleasant and jolly, although it's a folly to ask you at all. For if I had a glass and a mile to the bottom, I'd drink to you, Molly, beside Donegal. With me fall-a-dal-da, fall-a-dal-da-da-dee, fall-a-dal-da-da-dee, fall-a-dal-dee. I've a new pair of clogs I brought home from the market. I wanted an excuse for to go into town, so I told me old mother the seams they were ripped, and I needed some nails for to rivet them round. She clothed me hand with a bright British shilling, and said the remainder it would be her own. For if you go to town you may take a full noggin, but beware you bring none of your fanciables home. With me fall-a-dal-da, fall-a-dal-da-da-dee, fall-a-dal-da-da-dee, fall-a-dal-dee. Now crossing the hills of me brave and Enniskillen, I went to Nailhouse for to take a dram. There I saw two tinkers dividing the saucepan, although they were arguing about a tin can. Well, one of them soon made a blow at the other, and says, "You old villain, I will take your life, for your saucepan's a leaking and won't hold the water, since ever bold Doherty spoke to your wife." With me fall-a-dal-da, fall-a-dal-da-da-dee, fall-a-dal-da-da-dee, fall-a-dal-dee. Well, when I got home, sure the door was bolted. I rapped up my mother for to let me in. I be gone out the place where the words that she mentioned, for inside the store, oh, you'll not enter in. You may go on back to wherever you came from, for to keep you out now I'm sure 'tis no sin. As says I, my good woman, you may hold your temper, for I can get lodging with Nora McGlynn. With me fall-a-dal-da, fall-a-dal-da-da-dee, fall-a-dal-da-da-dee, fall-a-dal-dee, fall-a-dal-da, fall-a-dal-da-da-dee, fall-a-dal-da-da-dee, fall-a-dal-dee. Sinead.